Traders, welcome to Successful Tradings. In this video, we are going to review the performance of the past week option watch list. Then I will take a look at next week watch list. Stay until the end because I'm going to treat you to that watch list and show you two stocks that we are looking forward to trading out of that watch list. No, not NVIDIA, though NVIDIA has earnings on Wednesday, which will determine the course of the markets. And lastly, I will reveal a new strategy that I've been using for the last year or so and introduce it to you. If you're interested into that, please leave comments. So stay until the end. So without any further ado, this week watch list had expiration on August the 22nd. So for us, we're starting trading at the momentum mostly on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, we have these puts. Pretty much at some points on here, everything was green on the put side. That there was last line there where there was a call, but other than that, everything was green. So here on this day, definitely trading hood. And this is the second week in a row where we saw a great trade at a very low price on hold. If you remember from last week's video, you can go and check it out. But here, 13 cents to 62 cents at this time on here where it was captured. So that's a great trade there. And the continuation of this is still on the 19th toward the afternoon. Those 13 cents contract, they have turned into 10 baggers intraday, my friend. Yeah, 591%. It's in relation to the previous day close on Monday, as you know. Other good opportunity to trade here, AMD from 179 low of the day to $5, or even NVIDIA, obviously. Avego was another one. Those three, they trade alike most of the time because they're part of the same industry. So this was on Tuesday. So great trader opportunity on the put side. Yes, my friend, if you want to make money trading options, we don't have a bias. We trade whichever momentum, whatever momentum it's going on. That's the beauty of the watch list. So it's really literally plug and play. And then on Wednesday, yes, this is on Wednesday. What do we have here? MU RDTT. Yes, this one is a brand new comer into our watch list. It was a great trade. I mean, these options pay big time. I remember, I think for me, though I did not get a low entry of $1 on something, and I wasn't trading this strike price, but I remember that I sold my contract at $7.70. So my entry was around $2 and something that I usually don't do, but the momentum was so great on those RDTT put options. So Tuesday and Wednesday this week really provided great opportunity on the put side. So here you are again with Amazon, for instance, going from 64 cents to $2 something. Not to mention Hood again, a continuation from that Tuesday. Now the 102 contract put went from 94 cents to over $3 there. So this was really the watch list with several highlights here, right? So for us, we had NVIDIA on there, Hood, AMD. So those were the trades that gave us opportunity. So and then on Friday, I think on Friday, where it was on Friday, the trade was definitely focused on QQQ, which I'm not sure if I captured that on here, because on Friday, QQQ went from below 570 to all the way to 573 there. So after the Fed chairman were speaking. So this is what happened this week. So next week, meaning expiration on the 29th, drum roll, reveal of the watch list for free here. That's what we do. Yeah. So I have to go to this subscription trade alert. Here's our watch list, which, by the way, I mean, by now you ought to know this. It's revealed on Thursday. So this past Thursday, we started trading this watch list, and it actually gave us great gains on Friday. So let's go to an update for Friday. This was some of the big movers. Coin was a big trade, folks. Yes, this is the watch list expiring on the 29th, but we're trading that this past Friday on the 22nd. 67 cents entry on the call all the way. This wasn't even the highest, because I believe this contract went even above $5 at some point when coin was trading over $320 on the strike price. Another good trade here, target. Yes, this is a momentum trade for us that we had started on Thursday after Target had their earning. Yeah, this is how those momentum, they usually materialize themselves. So in this watch list, let's go back to the watch list itself. So in this watch list, I have 2 stocks that I'm definitely looking forward to trading next week. So this is the reveal of the full watch list. So here it is again. So there are 2 stocks, brand new commerce stock, right? NVIDIA had earnings on Wednesday, so meaning we will be trading that on Thursday, regardless of the direction. The gangster trade will be alive on NVIDIA, you know that. So, but we don't take chances before earnings, as you know. I have 2 stocks on here that I'm interested in this watch list. We have been trading them recently. The first one is Sound. Sound had earning last week. So we made great money because at the time I actually told the traders that I had shares. Yeah, I bought shares at $11. So this thing ran all the way to $17. So trading the shares as well as following that bullish momentum last week definitely from like. Then it reversed. This week from $17, the stock came back down. Actually today it traded all the way to $11.80. Here we have it on the watch list. The options are very, very liquid on Sound. So you won't have, look at this spread, 20 cents bid, 21 cents ask. So we are looking forward to seeing if this is reversing, if it has found a support of any type. That would be very interesting. And then the brand new one, the second stock that I'm definitely eager to trading out of this watch list next week, it's NVO. Yes, NVO it's down like 80% year to date, yeah, over the last 52 weeks. But guess what? It's starting a reversal. So these contracts actually, full disclosure, we have been trading them since Thursday. They got into the money today, but they're expiring on the 29th. So we are in no rush of touching them. So as we see confirmation of that, let me go to the chart. Let me go to the chart of this stock on here. So I'm going to go to the chart of NVO to show you. So this is, have this watch list. So Novo Nordisk. Okay, so what am I looking at? Here's the daily chart. Actually, maybe let me show you the weekly just so that you can see all of this drop down from 143 to $44 recently, outside of the lower Bollinger. But for now, 3 consecutive weeks is posting high. Okay, my friend. So there is an opportunity on here. I'm looking at least the upper Bollinger on the daily chart, which are standing at $61, $62 to really get great confirmation, because the upside is just gigantic. And with that upside, I'm going to treat us to a new strategy. Please leave a comment of what you think of the new strategy of which I've been using for a year now on some specific stocks. These 2 that I just mentioned, yes, definitely. So Sound and NVO, buying the shares, you can write cover calls. The premium is not really what you're in for. I mean, it depends if the volatility comes in, but you are in for the potential of the rise. So you collect small premium, but the rise, the appreciation of the stock actually gets you two means of making money on there. So let me know in the comments if you want to see me share those strategies of covered calls that I've been using on top of trading the watch list. And then there is a third one, a third strategy that's really, maybe in next week video I will reveal that, but I want to see some interest on here. A little hint I can tell you is, if you go to the website successfultrading.com, you will be see on the blog there are some nice recent article written on there regarding all of these new strategies that we have been using on here. So thank you for your time, and looking forward to sharing the results of this week watch list on the next weekend. Thank you. Bye-bye.